Hi, my name is Wiz. What if I say you can create your own website in 30 minutes?
30 minutes, are you sure?
Making a website is simple with a drag and drop feature that enables complex function to be added to your website without any coding necessary. Here are some of the blocks I use to create my website. Let's start by creating a home page. As you can see, I have created my e-commerce homepage in just a few minutes. Now let's add a product. And just like that, your product is ready. Now let's talk about payment features. Here are all the payment options, but for this video, let's choose PayPal, since it's the easiest to set up. First, go create a PayPal account. It takes less than 5 minutes. Fill in all the information required, then enable the PayPal payment option and click Save. You can now receive payments. Here is how a customer will see buying your product. Now, let's talk about themes. There are a variety of theme options you can choose from. Simply click Edit and choose a new theme. It's that easy. Now let's talk about domains.
What is a domain?
It's the address to your website that can help your customer find you. It's the thing we type in a search bar to find a website. This is something we can help you set up. Let's talk about search engine optimization. It is the process of improving a website and increasing organic traffic quality and quantity from search engines. Don't worry, our platform has this option ready to go.
What if my user mostly uses mobile devices?
Have no fear, our platform supports both mobile and desktop devices. Have a look. There are many options for you to consider. Try asking our developers or website builders on how to create a website. All of these features can be found on WYSIWYG. Consider dropping on by to our website at www.wysiwig.world to create your website in 30 minutes today. And learn many more. My name is Wiz, and that's all from me. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos.